Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Lan Yuan, the professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about vegetables. We're going to learn new words and new characters related to it, and will be very useful if you're living in China or traveling to China. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website, and if you have any suggestions, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. Anyway, let's start our course today. First of all, we have to look at these two characters we have learned before in foods, and I think we have learned it in store. Anyway, 蔬菜, which means vegetable. 蔬 and 菜 both have a meaning of vegetables. 蔬 flatten, 菜 first tone. 蔬菜, 蔬菜, 蔬菜. You are not vegetables. And then tomato, 西红柿, 西红柿, 西红柿. In fact, this is very interesting. You can look at it literally. 西 which means western, 红 which means red, and 柿 which means that fruit, persimmon. So in ancient time, people just gave it a name like this is red persimmon from the west. Tomato. 西红柿, 西红柿, 西 flat tone, 红 second tone, 柿 first tone. 西红柿. And then lettuce, 生菜, 生菜, 生菜. Celery, 芹菜, 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 芹 second tone, 菜 first tone. 芹菜 or spinach, 空心菜, 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 空 flat tone, 空心 flat tone, 菜 first tone, 空心菜. And then carrot, 胡萝卜 light tone, 胡萝卜, 胡萝卜, 胡萝卜. And turnip, we call it white carrot. 白萝卜, 白 white, 萝卜. 萝卜can indicate carrots or turnip, both okay. 白萝卜, 白萝卜, 白萝卜. And then onion, 洋葱, 洋葱, 洋葱. Bean sprouts, 豆芽. You can omit the R, or you can have it 豆芽 or 豆芽, both okay. 豆芽, 豆芽 or 豆芽. And lotus roots, 藕, 藕, 藕. Third tone. Green beans, 豆角, 豆角. And you can pronounce the R or not, both okay. 豆角 or 豆角, 豆角, 豆角. Bell pepper, we call it 青椒. 青 which means cyan, so we didn't call it bell pepper, we call it cyan pepper. 青椒 because of the color, but I think it looked like green. 青椒, 青椒. And then broccoli, 西兰花, 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 西兰花. Again, you can see here, 西, it's imported from the west. 西兰花. Mushroom, 蘑菇, 蘑菇, 蘑菇. Eggplant, 茄子, 茄 second tone, 子 light tone, 茄子, 茄子, 茄子. Taro, 芋头, 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 芋头. Spinach, 菠菜, 菠菜, 菠菜. Chinese cabbage, 白菜, 白菜 白 which means white 菜 which means vegetable, so white vegetables 白菜 白菜 cauliflower 菜花菜花菜花 or 花菜 both okay. And then pumpkin 南瓜南瓜南 second tone 南瓜南瓜南瓜 white gourd 冬瓜 white gourd 冬瓜冬瓜冬 flat tone 瓜 flat tone 冬瓜冬瓜 loofah 丝瓜丝瓜丝瓜 and 丝瓜 and cucumber 黄瓜黄瓜黄瓜 and the last one potato 土豆土豆 to which means soil and dough which means bean, so the beans underground under the soil which means potato 土豆土豆 So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new expressions today, and I hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it, and if you haven't really subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bell icon so that you can get notification for the next video. Thanks you again. If you have any suggestions, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye!